Before we start putting everything together, I want to create one last GIF for the menu we'll be building in the next session. This step isn't strictly necessary to follow along since we won't be doing anything new. And to be honest, I might have overdone the GIFs a bit. However, for the sake of completion, I'll showcase the process of how I created it. Feel free to follow along if you'd like, or you can simply wait and find the finished material ready in the next session. Either way, we're almost at the finish line, and soon we'll bring everything together into a fully interactive menu. Let's take a quick look at what's going on here. On slide 2, you can see the finished result with two GIFs. They are both the same, but the one on the left has been cropped, so only the top part is visible. The one on the right includes both the top and bottom sections. Now, moving back to slide 1, you'll notice 6 lines. Here, we'll add line movement to all 6 and introduce a short delay for each to create a staggered effect. Let's start with the top one of the bottom 3. Select it and head to the Animation tab. Click Add Animation and choose Line as the motion path. In Effect Options under the Animation tab, choose Up to make the line move in the desired direction. Then, go to the Animation pane, right-click on the animation, and select Start with Previous so it begins automatically. Finally, set the duration to 4 seconds. Make sure the animation is selected. Then click on Animation Painter in the Animation tab. Use it to apply the same animation to each of the remaining lines. This will ensure they all move in the same way without needing to manually adjust each one. Once you've applied the animation to all 6 lines, play the slide to preview the movement and see how it looks. Let's quickly make sure the order is correct. In hindsight, I probably should have named the objects better. It's a bit confusing having 2 top, mid, and bottom lines. Oh well. For now, just double-check that the first 3 lines are the ones that move first before we add the delay. You can simply rearrange the animations in the animation pane by dragging them up. When you're done arranging the order, it's time to add a delay to create a staggered effect. Start with the first midline and set its delay to 0.25 seconds. For each following line, increase the delay in increments of 0.25 seconds. So the next one will have 0.50 seconds, the one after that 0.75 seconds, then 1.00 second, and so on. Play the slide one last time to make sure everything moves smoothly, and the delays create the desired staggered effect. We don't need to set the animation to repeat until the end of the slide since the GIF will loop automatically once exported. Now, go ahead and export this slide as a GIF, just like we've done before. Once that's done, I'll see you in the next one, where we will finally build the interactive menu and bring everything together.